ba ito?
Rib eye lang.
Rib eye lang.
Mashed potato. Spinach.
Ano ba yun? Spinach dad.
Spinach. Do you want me to take a photo po? Kaya ka kayo.
Okay po.
Okay po. Face at the camera. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Smile. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Okay po.
Okay po. Please allow me to serve.
Ito.
Who wants medium well po?
Medium well. Medium well.
Medium well. Kayo po. Kayo lang po medium well.
Yes.
Okay po. So yung order for porterhouse for 3, cook medium well and medium rare. So this one is the fillet part, the most tender part of the steak. While this one is the sirloin.
Ayan, ano pala yan?
It's great, and our steak is the Beef USDA Prime Black Angus beef, all the way from Midwest of USA. So dry aged in our own dry aging box for an average of 28 days to make the meat more tender and flavorful. Slice ko lang yun, sir. Rib eye steak.
Spinach po.
So do you want to try the rib eye steak? Ay po. Medium rare po. Rare po.
Mas medium rare lalo ah.
You want this one? Slice ko po ba, sir? Rib eye?